Well, good morning, folks. We're back at Washington Park, and hopefully to finish up at least the connector trail. I tried looking for the third trail, but it's not clearly marked, so I don't know, we'll see. But we're going to do the connector trail between Trail 1 and Trail 2, as what we'll call it. This is the main, we'll call it the upper picnic area. We hiked here before on Trail 1. We filled out the registry over here, and the creek's right below us, but this is the main pavilion area. You've seen this before. This roundabout parking lot's over there. The disturbing restrooms right in the woods behind it. So, yeah. Let's see how today goes. As I said, I went down Middle Road. It's sketchy. They've been doing some logging and stuff. So the trail I'm looking for, I couldn't clearly find it. So, at least we're here. We'll do the connector trail. We know that exists. So here we are. So this would be the connector trail between Trail 1 and Trail 2. I need two hands to open this. And restrooms are right there. So, alright, here we go. This is the main one. And eventually it's going to split either way, so, yeah. I found my mistake now. Yeah, okay. So it's like they built this place in a hurry because I'm looking at the restrooms. There are men and women signs on there, but they're on the wrong side. You have to go around the other side to the restrooms. So, trail registry. So our trail used to go that way. Again, here's the parking lot and pavilion. It's over here a couple paces. Here's our connector trail. So if you're looking just for the connector trail, here you go. Here it is. I was in the totally wrong spot because it shows it coming off the main trail, but it's actually parking lot. It's on this side of the pavilion. So take the connector trail from the picnic area over to Trail 2. And Trail 1's right there, so you know, go by the bathrooms and the registry and everything. You can still see it there. So just this far over. We're on the other side of the pavilion and the restrooms. So here's the trail. And this is connector trail. I guess all in all it connects to Trail 1. Trail 1's right over there. Well, yeah, connects to the picnic area. To Trail 1, so. Alright, here we go. Connector trail. Washington Park, Adams, New York. So far, not much to see. So that's a connector trail, so. Let's see, they've recently brush cut through here, so at least it's a good trail to walk through. It's been mowed. As these skid marks are. Okay. Here's where the connector connects to the trail 2. So, good half-mile hike. Again, you can make it longer. Because I got an option of hiking around trail 2. Or you could take that straight shot to Middle Road and walk all the way back down to the other access gate and loop back into the main park. But yeah, this is the trail 2 connector right here. Hate to fall in that hole. So that's the connector trail, folks. Just gonna come up here a little further. So now we are on trail 2. And see what we got for looking. It's really quiet. It's kind of disturbing. So, yeah, that way it takes you all the way out to the Seasonal Highway, Middle Road. Trail 2 loops back around that way. We're behind the maintenance shop. You could come down here and loop the trail back up and around, but that's the connector trail. So, yeah, about a half-mile. Nice easy hike. So, that'll do it, folks. Hope you enjoyed the short video, and despite my confusion at the beginning. So yeah, thanks for watching. This is Washington Park Connector Trail. Washington Park in Adams, New York. Trail 2 that way, and our trail this way. Alright, thanks for watching.